expected it to be so good, to be very frank. Really, I'm very happy that the students at MSc level, or even those who are doing PhD, they're doing very good work. I think it's very nice that you're encouraging them. I'm happy that you're encouraging because this is really to be encouraged. They feel that if they're given award, definitely they will feel that they can do much better than this. That is encouraging. It's very good. I think
I have the same views as madam. Some of the posters which I saw, they were quite well planned. Though some of the posters, the work was very preliminary, but the plan is there to complete. I would prefer to see a completed poster, to be very frank enough, or maybe the work has been about 80% complete, which would give them a better, because the experts who have come, they can give more inputs to these posters. Right now, they are not very clear about the objectives and the goals that may achieve after a period of maybe a year and a half further their work. So I think these preliminary type posters you can avoid. I felt so that the others who have reached that stage can really work. But overall it's an excellent experience for the students. People like madam coming and talking to them, I think at our time we never got these opportunities. Here to get it in a college where the students are not exposed to really high-end research, they have some limited resources, but within that also, if they are encouraged like this, they can do wonderful work. Some of the concepts are really novel, and they can do more applicative work. That's the most important thing. And for application, you get experts from outside who can really talk, who are working in industry, who have got research experience. They can give them a better guidance of how to apply their results. And that feeling should come. This forum is really excellent. I really thank the CONARC people who have encouraged. Congratulate. Both of us really feel that it's a great thing that CONARC is doing. And having a section on phytochemicals is again a very wonderful thing, because India has such a rich heritage of phytochemicals. Making that aware to the youngsters, it's something very, very great. Environment is again an area. You cannot cover all the areas of research, but very prime ones you have definitely covered. That's another good thing that has happened here.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate the management of Jai Hind for organizing this unique event. The involvement of both undergraduate and postgraduate students was envisaged. More importantly, Mr. Gupta, who really went ahead out of the way to ensure that the event will be a success despite all the difficulties. What I personally feel is that at any level when you organize such event, it is normally categorized into different subjects. But here another experience that was to be highlighted was that the people from any subject, based on their research work, they were categorized. And that was very important, because ultimately life sciences or biological sciences is all about an integrated approach towards achieving a particular development. And therefore this event will go a long way in bringing together like-minded people and also the young generation, which will want to do something different than what they are generally doing as a part of their curriculum. And therefore I would like to also add that postgraduate departments of the university or the affiliated colleges of the university should come forward and nominate the students and also motivate them to undertake innovative research that will help them in shaping their careers. Thank you so much.
Myself, Professor Mohan Sehgal from Jai Hind College, and it has been an overwhelming response to this kind of a research meet. In fact, the undergraduate to the postgraduate, every section of the student has got equal opportunity to present themselves, their areas of interest, and it was very well organized by the coordinators. The CONARC people have also really supported very well. So this is kind of an opportunity. Most of the time postgraduate students get the opportunity, but undergrad student does not get the opportunity. So I am very thankful to the organization as well as the CONARC people, because they have given me the chance to judge them for the undergraduate. And looking at the response of the student, looking at the noise which people are doing over here, I feel that everybody is happy, and we hope that such kind of research meet should be conducted each and every year, so that the student community will really be benefited. Thank you.
This event was a unique experience where platform to a whole lot of students across the country to participate and to display their scientific talents by way of posters. And quite a lot of information, knowledge has come out of it. Now, this kind of an exercise compels the student to think out of the box. And once they do that, some innovative ideas keeps on coming. So that's very, very encouraging. And I feel the future of science is going to be very, very great. Having such type of students coming out with such type of novel ideas and scientific temperaments.
I'm Phil Tiwari. I am the Managing Trustee of Tata Power Community Development Trust. I came here as one of the judges for this event. There were, in the environmental studies, had a total of 21 people had put up their projects, and it was very exciting to see as to the type of projects which these people have put up and the innovative ideas that they came up. I found that most of the projects also that have been put off, which have been put by them, have got a large amount of value as well, where it can be put into commercial uses as well. It was great interacting with the young students because it made your adrenaline flow as well, and it made you young once again. I would like that these type of programs should be conducted more often so that we are able to give a boost to these young people who are going to be our leaders for tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.